Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to delete your YNAB account. To delete YNAB account, the first thing to do is to open the YNAB application and log into your account, or you can also open it up on a website. Once you open it up and you are in the main homepage, go ahead and tap on the three dots at the top left corner. Click on Settings and Privacy in the pop-up and then scroll all the way down towards the Account section. Now click on Account Settings and scroll all the way down from the Account Settings page. Before proceeding to delete your account, make sure to cancel your subscription in the App Store or make sure to cancel your existing subscriptions. Click on the Edit Subscription in the App Store option or the Subscription option and then click on the YNAB option in the Subscription tab. Now click on Cancel Free Trial. Click on Confirm in order to cancel the trial. Once you've cancelled your subscription, get back to the YNAB app and then tap on Delete Account. Enter your password that is associated with your YNAB account and tap on Delete Account finally. And that is how you will be able to delete your YNAB account in just a couple of minutes. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.